Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to reduce the intensity of bright colors on iPhone. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. So first we need to go to settings. After that, scroll down and find accessibility. Here we need to click on display and text size. Click here and here scroll down again and you must click on reduce white point. And that's all. Here you can reduce the intensity of bright colors. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.